Good afternoon, everyone. Due to this pandemic, we all are in our houses and wish to be safe and pray for our loved ones. So, let's teach them how to be safe and protected. Today, I, Garima, along with my friends, are going to present a play for you all people and also teach you to respect those who are fighting with the virus. So, let's begin.
Corona? What is corona? Mama, what is this corona?
Beta, as you see, I'm busy in kitchen. I'll tell you later.
Papa, what is this on TV? Something coronavirus? Beta, I am very busy in my office work. Once I will get free from my office work, I will tell you about it, okay? Papa said that he will tell us later. Now whom shall we ask about it?
I know. Home we should call. We should call our science teacher, Miss Rituvatri ma'am. Today is our science class with her.
Today is a science class. Also, we will ask from Ritu Atri ma'am. That's a better idea.
Ma'am, we have heard about coronavirus news in the TV. Do we need to worry? Good afternoon, kids. Kids, do you know what is coronavirus?
No. What are viruses?
Virus are like germs. They are very small infectious particles that lives inside of living organisms. Can we see them? No, they are very small that we can't see from naked eyes. Oh.
Teacher, how does the virus spread?
Virus can't move on its own, but they spread easily through touch. How come? Please explain, ma'am. Let's say if you have cold and wipe running your nose with back of your hand. After that, if you shake hand with your friend, then you can pass the virus to your friend. Is it? Yes. Ma'am, are there other ways by which coronavirus can infect? Yes, virus can float and move through air.
Really?
This is why doctors and teachers always advise to cover your mouth when you have sneeze or cough.
What does a virus do in our body?
Once the virus enter in our body, they try to capture a cell and control to make more virus. Ma'am, we are seeing in newspaper and TV that everybody is talking about coronavirus.
Are we safe, teacher?
Kids, you do not need to worry about coronavirus. We will be fine if we will take some prevention steps.
But ma'am, we have learned that many people died in China. It is also spreading fast in other countries.
No, we do not need to worry. Just follow what I am teaching you now. Yes, ma'am. We are strong and want to panic about the virus. But please explain us the precautions we should take to defeat this virus.
Can we really defeat it?
Yes, kids, you can control the spread of coronavirus and defeat it by following simple precautions.
Really? Can we control the spread of coronavirus and prevent ourselves and our families?
Yes, there are few ways through which you can keep yourself and your family's health safe. Wow, this is interesting that we can defeat coronavirus.
Please tell me more about infection control.
Please explain us how coronavirus is different from other viruses, ma'am. No, coronavirus is just like any other virus, which cause common cold, flu and fever.
What are the symptoms of corona?
Cough, cold, headache, fever, dry cough and difficulty in breathing are the symptoms which might appear after the exposure. As you know, kids, virus spread through touch. Let's greet in traditional ways. Let's greet like this. Assalamu alaikum.
What does it mean?
Namaste. Sat Sri Akal ji. Hello everyone. Not like this. Shake hand with your friend.
If I don't have cold or respiratory symptoms, should I also wear
Yes,
mask?
you have to need wear mask and also follow the given suggestions. Also maintain social distancing of 1 meter.
How we wash our hands properly to kill the germs.
Okay kids, I will tell you simple steps to follow not only for coronavirus but also for other viruses and bad germs. First step is that we need to be clean and maintain hygiene. Use hand sanitizer and wash your hands properly. The germs and bacteria hide at a place where it is hard to kill them, so we need to wash our hands properly. Now follow with me these 7 steps. First step is that wet your hands with water and take soap. Rub palm to palm between the fingers. Focus on thumbs, back of your hand. Focus on wrists, and last wipe with clean towel. Okay kids, avoid going in crowded places or functions. Kids, if not urgent, please avoid to travel the places where coronavirus is reported.
Thanks, teacher. We will also ask our parents to avoid travel if possible.
Thanks, ma'am. These are simple steps, and in this way, we can defeat the coronavirus.
Yes kids, together we will defeat coronavirus and other infections. Let's follow the simple steps and break the chain of infection and be the hero by preventing the diseases. That's good. Please also teach your friends and ask them to be active about the spreading germs and viruses. If you have cough, fever or difficulty in breathing, contact a doctor immediately and follow the advice given by your doctor. Thank you kids, you are my heroes. If you cannot go out, play indoors.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yay! Now we can play indoors.
We can play some interesting indoor games like Ludo, Carrom, reading books, and comics.
Okay kids, so now tell me, how can you defeat coronavirus?
By wearing mask.
By maintaining social distance
By greeting traditionally.
and maintain a proper hygiene.
And if sick, follow doctor's advice.
Hello everyone, hope you all are safe and healthy. I would like to quote Socrates and say, the secret of change is to focus all of your energy not on fighting the old but building the new. In the 60 seconds it will take me to conclude this video, thousands around the world must have already tested positive for the coronavirus. This short play was hence an effort to help people let go of the fear of the pandemic while making them aware of the simple yet beneficial measures to combat it. Hope you had an insightful watching experience. Thank you.